Looking to start a business that connects cultures and welcomes travelers from around the world? Then starting a youth hostel in Malaysia could be your ideal opportunity. Malaysia's tourism industry is booming, and with more budget-conscious travelers exploring the country, youth hostels are in high demand. Let's walk through the key steps to get started. First, register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. You can choose to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company, depending on your goals and funding needs. Next, location is everything. Choose a lively area close to public transport, tourist attractions, or nightlife spots. Popular destinations like Kuala Lumpur or Penang are perfect for youth hostels. Apply for the necessary business and lodging licenses from your local council. Ensure your hostel complies with safety, hygiene, and accommodation regulations to provide a safe stay for guests. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we guide you through company incorporation, licensing, and compliance so you can focus on giving travelers an unforgettable stay.